Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best indoor electric grills that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at rank number 5 is the Chefman Smokeless Indoor Electric Grill. This grill is perfect for those who want a smokeless grilling experience without breaking the bank. It features an extra-large 15 by 9-inch nonstick grilling surface, making it ideal for family-sized meals. The copper finish gives it a sleek and modern look that fits well into any kitchen. One standout feature is its water-filled drip tray, which minimizes smoke and keeps your kitchen air clean. Plus, the pyramid-style grill plate design drains excess grease away from your food, promoting healthier cooking. When it comes to performance, the Chefman grill heats up quickly and delivers consistent results, whether you're grilling burgers, veggies, or fish. The adjustable temperature control provides flexibility, allowing you to customize heat settings based on your recipe. Cleanup is also a breeze, thanks to its dishwasher-safe drip tray and non-stick grill plate. However, the grill's lightweight design means it's less durable than higher-end options, and the lack of a lid may limit its versatility for certain dishes. The Chefman Smokeless Grill is best suited for casual users who want a convenient, smoke-free grilling experience at an affordable price. Its large grilling capacity and easy cleanup make it a great choice for small families and those new to electric grills. Pros include its smokeless technology, spacious design, and affordability. Cons include limited durability and the absence of a lid for heat retention. Overall, it's a great budget-friendly option. In the number 4 spot is the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Grill, a solid mid-range option for grilling enthusiasts. With a 90 square inch nonstick surface, this grill has enough space to cook up to 6 burgers at once, making it ideal for small gatherings. Its floating hinge is versatile enough to accommodate thicker foods like steaks and pork chops, providing that authentic grill mark aesthetic. Plus, the design cleverly channels excess fat away from food into a removable drip tray, promoting healthier cooking. Performance-wise, this grill is quick to heat up and delivers meals in under 10 minutes, perfect for busy households. The raised grids ensure your food gets evenly cooked with those classic grill marks. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to its nonstick plates and dishwasher-safe drip tray. However, it does lack advanced temperature control options, which limits precision when cooking delicate items like seafood. Its silver finish and compact design make it a stylish addition to any kitchen, though it's less feature-rich compared to higher-end models. The Hamilton Beach Indoor Grill is a great choice for users who prioritize speed and simplicity. It's perfect for individuals or families looking for a reliable and easy-to-use grill for everyday meals. Pros include quick cooking times, a healthy fat-draining system, and easy maintenance. Cons are the limited temperature settings and smaller cooking surface compared to premium models. Overall, this grill offers great value for its price. At rank number 3, we have the Elite Gourmet EMG 980B Smokeless Electric Tabletop Grill, the most budget-friendly option on this list. Despite its low price, this grill packs a punch with a 14-inch circular non-stick grilling surface that can serve up to 6 people. Its tempered glass lid helps retain heat and moisture, while the adjustable temperature control allows you to grill a variety of dishes with ease. The circular heating element ensures even heat distribution, so your food cooks uniformly every time. Performance-wise, this grill is surprisingly versatile for its price point. It heats up quickly, reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and delivers consistent results for everything from veggies to steaks. The removable grilling plate and drip tray are both dishwasher safe, making cleanup hassle-free. However, the lightweight aluminum build feels less durable compared to higher-end models, and the lack of advanced features like interchangeable plates or smokeless technology means it's better suited for casual use. The Elite Gourmet EMG 980B is ideal for individuals or families on a tight budget Want a straightforward indoor grilling solution. Its compact size makes it perfect for apartments or small kitchens. Pros include affordability, dishwasher-safe components, and even heating. Cons are its less durable construction and limited advanced features. If you're looking for an affordable way to enjoy grilled meals indoors, this grill is a fantastic choice. Taking the number 2 spot is the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill, a feature-packed option designed for enthusiasts who want to replicate outdoor grilling indoors. This grill boasts a 118 square inch cooking surface, enough to serve up to 6 people. Its standout feature is the ability to sear at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, locking in juices and flavor for perfectly grilled steaks, pork chops, and fish fillets. The viewing window lets you monitor your food as it cooks without lifting the lid, which is both convenient and helps retain heat. This grill excels in performance, delivering even heat distribution and excellent searing capabilities. The adjustable temperature control provides precision for cooking delicate foods like seafood or vegetables. Cleanup is effortless, with a removable non-stick grill plate, drip tray, and lid, all dishwasher safe. However, its stainless steel design adds weight, making it less portable than lighter models. Additionally, it's priced higher than other mid-range options, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. The Hamilton Beach Searing Grill is perfect for those who value robust grilling features and quality construction. It's a great investment for families or individuals who want versatile, reliable, and easy-to-maintain kitchen equipment. Pros include its searing capability, easy cleanup, and large grilling surface. Cons are its heavier build and higher price point. If you're serious about grilling indoors, this model is definitely worth considering. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill, the premium option that takes indoor grilling to the next level. This grill stands out with its interchangeable grill and griddle plates, allowing you to cook everything from char-grilled steaks to pancakes with ease. Its high-powered 500-degree Fahrenheit max heat ensures perfect searing and authentic grill marks, while the edge-to-edge cooking capability eliminates hot or cold spots, providing consistent results every time. The perforated mesh lid minimizes smoke, making it ideal for indoor use. Performance is where the Ninja truly shines. It heats up quickly and delivers restaurant-quality results, whether you're grilling burgers, salmon, or fajita veggies. The family-sized 14-inch grilling surface is spacious enough to prepare meals for 4 to 6 people, and the ability to cook with the hood up or down adds versatility to your cooking. Cleanup is effortless, as all removable parts are dishwasher safe, including the grill plates and lid. However, its higher price point may be a barrier for some, and its larger size requires ample counter space. The Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill is perfect for avid cooks who want a versatile, high-performance grill for a variety of recipes. Pros include its interchangeable plates, high heat capacity, and smokeless technology. Cons are its premium price and bulky design. If you're looking for the ultimate indoor grilling experience, this grill is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.